Hey guys, what's up? Out here picking up a new piece of equipment for the shop, a do-all bandsaw. Everybody knows that do-all is one of the best brands out there in terms of saws, and they make a lot of stuff. But I thought I'd make a quick video and show you guys some of these huge vertical lathes that they've got here. A couple of them actually for sale. So if anybody's looking to buy one, give them a call. So this one over here is weighs 30 tons.
30 pounds.
30,000 pounds. 15 tons. Okay. 30,000 pounds. And all these big machines they use a lot down in Texas for oil field, making huge parts. And the machinist, engineer, fabricator here, he's got a few videos of some stuff he's been working on. I'm going to attach it. And they got one more of these inside. But check out the chuck on this thing. Let me go show you this one. We just got the jaws on it. How about that for a chuck? What's the diameter of it?
48 inch.
48-inch chuck. I'd like to have this machine right here, but I can only buy so much today. I only have so much money. So I've got this one, and what does this one weigh?
This is 40,000 pounds.
40,000 pounds. And they had to take the head off of it to get it in here, and you know, as you can imagine, the rigging cost alone to get something like this moved is just crazy. 40,000 pounds. They've also got some CNC machines here as well, and they really like the manual machines and the older, bigger machines for a lot of these parts. The one machinist here, right there, can operate both, but he actually prefers the manual machines for these, you know, big cylinders and parts that they make for the oil field. All right, we'll show you more later. I'm going to get a couple of clips from him and upload those on some massive turnings that they do. So a CNC lathe here, actually two lathes. Kind of dark in here. I don't know, you might not be able to see this, but check out the size of the tool changer. All right, guys, here we are back at the shop with do-all bandsaw. This is a 26-inch version, so it's got a 26-inch depth on the throat there, and it weighs about 2,300 pounds and is over 7 feet tall. So it's a big boy. I wanted to show you the videos there that I clipped on just before you saw this. The place I bought it from is a shop they're just opening up, and you know, you guys have seen my shop, you know what it looks like here. Kind of small equipment, and they are opening up a massive shop, and they're going to be a job shop for the oil field industry. And so they're buying all these various machines, and some of them I think they're buying in lots, and just taking everything that comes with it, and then they kind of sell off what they're not going to end up using. And I think, you know, maybe they're trying to make a little money off of it because of the methods they're using to purchase it with. So I think they gave me a good deal, and I think they, you know, are pretty reasonable to work with. And they're just trying to, you know, make a little money off the stuff they're doing. They've got expense in picking it up, and you know, and all that. So anyway, I didn't show you the complete unloading of this like normal, but we used the dollies, and you notice that this dolly over here is not under it. Yeah, I wish I had the cameras rolling. When we were pulling this in, the front of this thing slipped off of this dolly. Somehow one of the wheels got caught and kicked it around, and it slipped off and fell. Luckily, all the weight in this thing is down low, so it's not really, you know, it doesn't really want to tip over at all. It's, you know, it's really center of gravity is very low in it. But we had to wrestle it, and first got it lifted up high enough to get it on this little dolly, the front of it, and then hooked up ratchet strap to those two machines and ratcheted it the rest of the way to get it in here. Now I've got it jacked up now, and I'm going to slide this other dolly back up underneath it. And I'm clamping it as well to the actual dolly, because I'm not sure why it's wanting to just, you know, when you push it, it doesn't roll very well. It wants to slide around on the dolly. So I think a lot of the weight is in this part right here. And of course the motor is sitting back in that part. But anyway, I'm really happy with it. And it's already wired up and everything for 243 phase. So, and I think it's got the 20 amp, let's see, 20 amp or 30 amp twist lock 3-phase on there. I don't know which one that is, but we'll figure it out. And maybe we can just plug it in and fire it up and get to using it. But the table is really in excellent condition on it. You can still see a lot of the grinding marks, you know, from just the factory, you know, grinding and all. I mean, you can see a few scratches and things in it as far as like big gouges or whatever. It's pretty happy with it. It's a 1954 or 53, I guess. I think it's the second digits in the serial number are so 26 and then 53 is the year, 1953. Yeah, so pretty cool little work light on here too. I don't know if it works, but you can tell this thing's vintage. So we'll get that connected and see if we can get it working. But anyway, I'll get this video uploaded. Just wanted to show you guys this those huge lathes, and the vertical lathes, and then the ones also at the guy's shop where he works permanently. So all right, have a good one, guys.